What's up everybody, Ryan McNeil, trickstars.com. Today I'm in Destin and we're going to the jetties to go snorkeling around the rocks and hopefully not get eaten by a shark. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so now that we're on the rocks, we're gonna stash our stuff, get down to business here, get in the water. We're gonna switch to the Insta360 now. Hope you guys enjoy some of this beautiful scenery here in Destin, Florida. See you in a second. Bam! Just like that. We're on our action cam. Let's get in the water. It is hot. Wow, it's beautiful under there. You see all those fish? Take another look. Let's go see if we can find some big fish. Hopefully ones that don't eat us. Incredible. Kind of scary. Maybe I'm just the chicken. It's like a big school of tiny little fish. I'm like, man.
Guys, we are surrounded by bait fish right now. Check this out.
Hey guys, I really hope you're enjoying this video. Just real quick before we get back to the action, if you guys don't mind checking out trickstars.com, that's my personal website where I put my artwork, my paintings, stuff I've been doing for many, many years, and it really means a lot to me and I'd love for you guys to have some. So if you feel like contributing to the channel and helping support me and all the content that I provide for you guys, make sure you check out the website. Here's one of my t-shirts, a perfect example of one of the awesome things that I've made for you guys. So if you think that's cool, that one's called Space. It's on a black t-shirt. There's lots of different paintings to choose from. So thank you guys so much for hearing me out. Let's get back to swimming in the ocean.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but there was a sea turtle in the distance. It swam away as we were getting close to it, but it feels super cool to see out here. Awesome to see here in your hometown, something like that. Beautiful. There's this school with really big fish down below. Let's go check it out right now. You guys can probably tell that I'm a little bit scared down below. That's because I am. I was born and raised here. One of the first things I learned to be afraid of was sharks, so trying to overcome that by doing stuff like this. Sometimes you gotta put yourself out there and face your fears, you know? This is what you came for, swimming in dangerous water. No sharks today. That's good. Good news. The thing I was worried about.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. My name is Ryan McNeil. Make sure you check out trickstars.com. That's where you can find my artwork and t-shirts and that sort of thing. It really helps support the channel. Like this video if you thought it was cool. Subscribe if that's something you're into. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.